on the meat. We turned the whole house into a booth. We in the kitchen. Let her cook.
Hey guys, so today I will be making beef stir fry. Here I am cleaning the meat before I actually have to prep it. Now I am cutting the meat into strips.
Guess I'm doing what I want. Hope you knew what you want. Who you want?
My neighbors look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My opus fun like Jackie Brown. I wanna know if she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, get alone, maybe. In the meantime,
Guess I'm doing what I want.
just some me time.
So I will be seasoning the meat with adobo,
Beats like Odell,
pepper,
killers don't tell. Shut down,
smoked paprika, onion powder,
Chanel.
salt,
Will you be my lead?
garlic powder, and I mix that together.
No, maybe. In the meantime,
Guess I'm doing what I want.
get some me time.
And then I cover it
But it's been a few hours, but it's for like days.
and put it in the refrigerator to marinate for 24 hours.
Been gone for a year.
Now I'm doing the broccoli by putting it into a bowl
In the meantime,
Guess I'm doing
and then allowing it to soak in water until it's time for me to cook it.
in the meantime,
Guess I'm doing what I want.
get some me time.
So now I'm prepping the vegetables for the beef stir fry, which is carrots,
Leave me here, I'll fuck myself. Sitting in the mirror, I got myself. Don't need myself, fuck my wealth.
green onions,
Frame your poster on the wall. My dreams, you the prince and I'm the up. Fairy tales, I'm not used to it. Got me questioning what you've done. We used to be out of reach. Feel like you're testing me, you're the necessity. Full court press on me. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. You know I wanna be around. You talking more than I just think the empathy so crazy, I'm letting down my blood. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down.
and a red pepper.
I don't wanna drown. I need to hear from you. And we know you're the time. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. Such a risk, but I'm willing to take a chance. What you think with my heart in hands? Gotta learn how to let someone hold. Take time, got trust, so I let the truth. Got me questioning what you've done. We used to be out of reach. Feel like you're testing me, you're the necessity. Full court press on me. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. You know I wanna be around. You talking more than I just think the empathy so crazy, I'm letting.
And now I am prepping the broccoli. I put the stove on medium high. And I season it with pepper and 4 sticks of butter and let it steam. And now I am seasoning the pan for the beef stir fry, and I'm adding the meat. Cooking it to make sure it's brown and letting it sit. Now the rice. Season that with salt. some olive oil. I'm going to add the carrots, green onion, and red peppers to the meat. Along with the soy sauce, I used a lot of soy sauce. 2 teaspoons of garlic and sesame seed. Mix that together.
Good day in my mind, safe to take a step out. Get some air now, let your edge out. To some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get
And then this is just me checking to make sure that the broccoli is done.
you?
And this is how it came out. Really, really good, really, really delicious. Please make sure you guys like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video.